What's going on, everyone? Corey Fulham, your car guy here. Welcome again to my shop, and today I'm going to be doing another project series on my 93 Fleetwood. So this time I'm going to be replacing the PCV valve. So let's get started. So for this process I had to use a Phillips screwdriver over here for this bolt over here that I added. So we can take it off of there. It's getting there. There, it's off now. There we go. And then we'll just go ahead and take this off. And for this process I gotta loosen up those wing nuts over here so I can just, so that way I'll have enough room to move that thing around, move the air cleaner around there. Okay. There's one, and there's two. There we go. So now the air cleaner cover comes off really easy. Just because I had to clean all the black stuff there. So now it's nice and smooth. And I think after that, I think the whole my air cleaner should come off. Oh yeah, actually I gotta go back there and disconnect the hose for the breather right over here. There we go. And then we'll set that on top there. And there's one more hose I had to disconnect, which is this hose. I'll show that to you right over there if you can see it. Alright, so with all the hoses disconnected, I think we should be able to clean around the I'm going to take this off, and then I'll just clean around the PCV valve before I start removing it. Clean all that black stuff around it, and it's going to look really nice once I install the new one. That's our PCV hose right over here. So that's why it's always important to clean around it before we take stuff like that. Stuff like this off of there. Okay, I think that's enough wiping there. I'll set my shop towel over here. And I think after that the whole PCV valve should come right off, just like that. And then we'll just take the whole thing off. I just got to use a towel right over here, another shop towel right over here, and then I'll just twist and pull. There we go. So there's the old PCV valve right over here, but I'll just grab a new one over here. So now we'll grab our brand new PCV valve. This one's by AC Delco Professional, which is the original equipment parts. See if I can try to do this with one hand. There we go. So there's our new PCV valve. So you always like to match up one of your parts and make sure they're identical whenever you go to do jobs like this, especially when you're replacing the PCV valve on your own car. So this is what a new PCV valve will sound like when you shake it. So we'll go ahead and install this in the car. Last time when I went to replace the alternator on this car, I think I must have forgot to torque down these two bolts over here. I had to torque this one down, which is the bottom one, to 37 foot-pounds, and then I had to use a T50 on a ratchet, and then my other ratchet for this bolt over here in the back, and then I had to torque this part to 18 foot-pounds. So now it's all torqued and ready to go, so that way I don't have to worry about all the bolts loosening up over time while driving. So anyways, we can go ahead and just continue by installing our brand new PCV valve. Before we do that, I gotta clean a little bit more over here. I think that's enough. And it just goes right onto there. All we gotta do is twist and pull. Twist and push. And it goes right onto that. And all we gotta do is simply push it right in. And there we go. And now we can just go ahead and put everything back together. I'll just put the camera up so you can watch me. Same as before, we can just, we have one connector, we have to reconnect our electrical connection right over here. It goes right onto there. And then we can just simply move the hose back into place there, this hose. And then we can just twist and push. You have to push onto that side. And then we can just put our breather hose onto that side. And also I gotta make sure I have everything all lined up there. There. I gotta make sure that part is lined up too. Okay, so I finally got that part here lined up. So anyways, I'll just go ahead and reinstall my control duct hose. And then I'll just move that thing onto there and I'll just connect it right onto the top. You have to push. And I think after that we'll just go ahead and reconnect or put my screw back in here. And then it'll just hold it into place. There we go. Goes right in there really easy. There it goes on there. Yeah, it's getting there. I think that's enough. And then we'll just go back there and just reinstall our air filter. Goes right into there. Oops. And my air cleaner just came off. Make sure our breather hose is connected. Make sure our hoses are securely connected. There we go. Make sure everything's fully seated. And then we can go ahead and reinstall the two wing nuts right here. And I think we're so close to getting done. And there we go. And check it out. Holy smokes. I mean, what a difference. It looks really shiny now. Nice new shiny part installed. Brand new PCV valve. Looks pretty good. And now here comes my favorite part. See if she works. Still working pretty good. Well, I think that's going to pretty much wrap it up for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I mean, check this out. We got a nice new PCV valve installed, which is awesome. I mean, things are just going to get better more and more and more if I keep putting new parts on this car. Anyway, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Definitely consider clicking on the subscribe button because I've got lots more content coming up. Car reviews, plus more project series of fixing this car up and putting new parts in. And also be sure to turn on these notifications by clicking on the bell so you can get notified of new uploads. And also one more thing, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because it really helps the video a lot. With that being said, be sure to stay tuned next time, guys. There is a lot more where it came from, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care, everyone.